Where's the computer?
I don't know, where's the 10 peso?
In the video camera is evidence, you know. So, I don't know. You check the video camera.
Okay, you can get that one. You can go. I don't need your explanation.
But this is not even full size, I think.
You know. Well, you get this one. Let's see. If you're playing with twigs.